Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today we are going to be doing day 4 resolutions. I will share with you guys a little bit of my process for resolutions. I know that not everybody has good, feels good about resolutions, I guess. But for me, I love resolutions because I only add what I like to work on. So it's like if it's something I want to do, I'm going to add it to my list. So there are some things that I know I need to do that I probably will add to my list for this year. Like I do want to get healthier, so I'll add that and try to work on something that's small and manageable and not too big where I won't do it. So I will add some of those things, but my favorite way of making resolutions is by choosing things I want to do. Like it's like a to-do list for the year of things I want to do. Let's put it that way, okay? Now I have a freebie printable on my Ko-fi shop. And so if you want to pick this up, you can use it. I think it's great for writing down your resolutions. It's also great for journaling. So this is what I'm going to be using. And I'm just going to cut it out and I'm going to write my 2026 resolutions on here. I would love to hear what your resolutions are for the year. Oh, you know what my resolution is, I guess? Oh my gosh. I just realized my resolution was to do a collaboration with other people in the community. So I'm already working on that. So that was kind of a big one. Actually had a few people reach out and ask me to do a collaboration. And I always felt like it wasn't the right time. And so last year I thought, gosh, I would love to do a collaboration with where I have a bunch of ladies in the community come together and we can all work on a project and just share and inspire each other. And so I thought about that last year. I thought that sounds really fun, but it just wasn't the right time. And so I didn't do that. But then at the end of the year, I had somebody ask me again if I wanted to do one, and it just felt right. So I thought, okay, let's go ahead and do it. And so I love also writing prompt lists. So I put together this prompt list, and it just kind of came together really quickly. So that is, you know what, I can write that on my list because I can check it off. I don't know. Do you guys do that? Do you guys add things to your list just to check it off? Because that's one thing I do. Okay, so resolutions. Okay, so I have planned a collab. And yay, I'm doing it. I'm so excited. I'm actually really excited because there's so many wonderful ladies in this community that I've gotten to know over the past few years. And I'm really excited because they're all part, or most of them are part of the collab. They were able to join in, and I'm really excited about that. Okay, let's see what else. I want to do something for my health. You know what? If you're going to be doing resolutions, I'm not an expert, but I did take, when I used to work in management, I had a Franklin Covey planner. And I remember they said, look at your roles in your life. So if you're like a small business manager or you own your small business, that's a role. If you're a mom, that's a role. If you're a wife, that's a role. You're also a role when you're like a stay-at-home mom or you have a home to care for. That's a role also. So they say define your roles. And then if you write them down, like all the roles that you have, and then you can have one goal for each role. So I think that makes a lot of sense because you can kind of condense them down and be like, I have one goal for this. This is what I want to work on or get done or do this year or kind of focus on. And so health or like yourself is one thing. So maybe I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to turn it over because I'm kind of thinking it out with you guys. So my role is small business. This is my Raindrop Lila. So that would be one role. Another one is I'm a mom. I should probably set I'm a wife. I'm getting the order wrong. I'm a wife. And then I'm a mom. And then what else? I guess when I think about what I want to get done, I also think about what I want to do for myself. So in that part, it could be like health or beauty. Like maybe you want to treat yourself, or I want to treat myself. Maybe I want to do like some shopping or something like that. And what else do I have? We also have friend. Let's see, my role is being a friend. And then what else? Maybe in the community, like your role in the community. So these are different roles that you can kind of think about, like, what do I want to do in those? Okay, so I'm not going to get personal and go into them, but I just wanted to give an example. So, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys for the resolutions. That's an easy way to kind of figure out what you want to work on, if you want to work on those for the year. And another tip that I learned is focus on one thing. So I think that would be great for these, to just have one thing that you want to do, and look at them like every day, or kind of review them. Because if you have 10, you're never going to do them, especially if you have like multiple for each one. I used to do that. I used to write huge lists, and it can be overwhelming, and then you're like, I don't want to do them anymore. Anyways, I do love making resolutions and then adding them to my journals, especially if it's a journal that I work in, because I will see it every time I open my journal and work on it. I will see my resolutions in there and be like, oh yeah, I can work on that today. That will be an easy thing to do. And so I actually like to put this in my planner, because I keep my planner on my desk, and that's how I use it. So that is my part for resolution. I hope that was helpful. So day 4 is resolution. Just grab a tag and write down the things you want to do this year. Okay? I think that is it for today. I love to hear what your resolutions are. If you guys want to share, add them in the description box below, and I would love to read through them, because maybe I will pick some up from you guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.